Please distinguish the bracket and connector first. A 15, F, 8B, 6C, E8, straight through 22, 90 degree T6, 6, 135 degrees, 3 links. 4. Take 2 straight passes. Take a, splice 3 into 1, a total of 5. Take a straight pass. Take B, and splice the 2 into 1, a total of 4. Straight through 1. 1 or 2 are spliced into 1, a total of 4. Take 2 straight passes. Take C, splice 3 into 1, a total of 2. Take for 90 degree T links. Take the A or 2 after the P connection, C2. A is the length at the bottom of the house. C is the width at the bottom of the house. Connect them separately with a 90 degree T. After 7 splicing, for B are used as end. For connecting columns with 135 degree T, right angles to front and back. Bevel, 2, left and right. Seven splices move back 4 to connect the door head and door tail. Connect the top 2 with a 90 degree T. Seven spliced after a beam. For the convenience of putting on the cloth cover, please depress the connecting rod. Make sure the splicing tube and bracket are fully spliced in. Unzip the cloth cover first. Find the door cover again. Bottom of the river. Zip it up. Zip it up. If you can't pull it, it may be that the connecting rod is not tight. The door curtain is tied to the bracket. The installation is complete.